Today, we are going to use the power grip adapter to show you how easy it is to set up and case prep your brass while using the Lee Auto Bench Prime and Auto Prime. Simply drop the push pin into the top of the adapter, thread the knurled shell holder onto the shell holder adapter. Slide adapter into the mouth of your priming tool and slide your deprimed case into the shell holder. Depress and hold lever, slide in your cutter with case length gauge and turn a few times. Then chamfer the inside and outside of the case mouth. This adapter allows you to rapidly trim brass to the appropriate length or chamfer the inside and outside of the case neck. This new adapter greatly improves the speed of switching between each piece of brass. No more loosening up the knurled shell holder between each piece of brass. Also works with the popular Auto Prime and other tools that use priming tool shell holders. Complete this adapter with your cartridge-specific case length gauge and knurled shell holder, cutter with lock stud, and chamfer tool.